Okay guys, welcome back to Broken Spur. Today what we're doing is we actually got a job to produce a menu sign for a local food truck. Now, they talked to me at our show up in Salado, and this is one of the things that I do is I like producing things for other vendors and helping them out, whether it be a menu sign like we're doing today or a PayPal square, or pay square, or a thank you, or a business card holder, anything that we can make $1 on, we're going to. It's not all big projects. I mean, some of these are small projects, but all these small projects, they add up to money in the bank. So let me show you what we're doing today. This is a mock-up that I did. I like doing a little mock-up. I got plenty of wood. I got extra wood. So I do a little mock-up. And this is what's going to happen. She wants a menu sign to point to her electronic menu board. Everybody keeps bypassing it. They don't know where it's at. She's got a new food trailer. And so what this is going to do, it's going to hang down from an awning. It's going to point to the menu sign on the side of the trailer. Plus, it's going to look really cool when we get done. So we're going to use our extended longer today, and we have some 6mm MDF with a white oak veneer over top of it. We're going to use that as a base. Then we're going to use our other 20-watt longer, and what we're going to do is we'll cut out the insert, the menu insert, at a 3mm basswood, and then once we get it all done, it'll all be finished and sealed and ready to go. Alright, first thing we did, we designed it in Lightburn. So I'll go ahead and get a close-up of that. We designed it in Lightburn, and then we're going to transfer the job over to the Ray5 20-watt with the extension, and we'll get this going. Okay guys, the paint's dry and the project is complete. This is a menu sign, or actually a sign pointing to the menu on the side of Leola's Kitchen's food trailer. This sign will actually hang down from an awning and point towards her electronic menu that's on the side of her food trailer. This is a double-sided sign. So her customers will be able to find the menu no matter what direction they're coming from. Remember guys, it doesn't matter how small the project is or how large the project is. There's always ways to make money with your lasers. We use the longer lasers for this project. They did a great job, exceptional job. As I said before, I haven't had any problems with the longer lasers. I have complete confidence in them. So I don't mind tackling a small job like this or a large job. Anyway, till next time, you guys stay creative. We'll talk next week.